Hopefully. No, I don't want to say expected. Kasi ayoko siya dumating. ang sabi-sabi nila, ang rumor, supposed to be dadating siya ng November 9. Pero as I said, hindi po siya welcome dito. So, I believe ang nangyayari yata, it's stronger po sa may Mindanao and the Visayas area. So, hopefully, hindi siya maging super typhoon. And ang supposed to be pala, pag napasok siya sa area of responsibility, ang domestic tail niya is U1. So, sa atin, awan. Para hindi na siya dumating. Awan. Yun. So, but we will once again call for a meeting with the resiliency para to be prepared lang all, as we always do. At palagi nga sinasabi ng ating presidente na when things like this happen, we are always prepared na kasi nakagawian na rin natin kung how to do it. So medyo clockwork na ang paggawa natin. So everybody's assigned, everybody knows what to do. Meron ng pre-positioning ng mga goods para lahat ng and ready. Tapos if kailangan ng preemptive evacuation, nag-evacuate na rin po sila. Katulad lang po nung Nando, nung dumating, nakita ko po na marami po nagkaroon ng preemptive evacuation. So, I was happy naman na ganun kasi that way, it also lessens the responsibility of our mga search and rescue and our, para hindi na sila to put themselves in danger when they have to save people. No? Sila na mismo ang naglilikas. They themselves do the evacuation.
May bibigay po kayong tulong sa Cebu province?
Yes, oo. We're just going to be talking about it kasi it just happened, right? So, as I keep saying, ang ating Vice Gov, heart niya, party Cebuano. So, kailangan naman natin. And besides, talaga naman, grabe na, may earthquake na sila, tapos may flood pa, talaga naman. So, we really have to be praying for our province, sa Cebu. Sister province pa naman natin.